Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Joy Plays Games channel, where we gonna find out what's the science behind breeding pigs. Does it really matter if they have bigger territory to breed in? Does it matter if you have 1 by 1 pasture or 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4? We're gonna find that out and I'm gonna answer those questions for you. So, my fellow Vikings, now on the screen you see 6 pastures or 6 areas where the pigs are going to breed. There's 1 by 1, there's 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7. We're gonna count how many pigs in how short time gonna appear in this certain area. So let's not waste time and spawn the pigs. Here are the pigs. There are some pigeons flying around, but we can't control them, unfortunately. So here are the pigs, and let's see. We're gonna give all of them food just in a moment and see which of the pastures 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or maybe 7 by 7 is gonna produce the most piglets, the most pigs in the long run. Because the theory stands that the smaller or bigger the pasture, the more pigs you're gonna get for the same amount of food for each of the pastures. Oh, nice! We got another baby born in the 2 by 2. There's 4 pigs here, so they're running ahead. There's 3 pigs here in the 3 by 3. In the 5 by 5, there's love, but still no result. Here we have already 3 grown-up piggies. There might be 4 soon in the 4 by 4. We have none still in 7 by 7. They're both tamed, they're both happy. And we also have none born yet in 6 by 6. So far, the best results are produced in the 4 by 4 and in 2 by 2. Well, guys, so far it seems that still the most effective one is actually 2 by 2. We have 4 grown-up pigs there, 1 little one. We have 3 grown-up pigs and 1 little one in 3 by 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grown-up pigs in 4 by 4. Okay, that's interesting. We have 2 grown-ups and 1 piglet in 5 by 5. We have 2 grown-ups and 2 piglets in 6 by 6. And also 3 grown-ups and 1 piglet in 7 by 7. So far, the best pasture basically is 2 by 2. So, ladies and gentlemen, about 3 or 4 in-game days have passed, and we see there are some changes in the pastures. Currently, there's no change in the 2 by 2. There's still 5 pigs. There are no newborns there, so I don't think there's gonna change much in here. We still have 4 pigs plus 1 little one in the 3 by 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big pigs in 4 by 4. We have 3 big ones, 2 small ones in 5 by 5. 6 by 6 currently has 4 big ones and 3 small ones, so that's in total 7. And the 7 by 7 currently has 4 big ones and 5 small piglets, so that's already 9 pigs in this area. Yes, it took longer. The thing is that, well, what I found out doing this experiment, that at first when you got, for example, yourself a pig, let's say it's a 2-star pig, and you want to start breeding, because, well, basically, if you breed 2-star pigs, they're gonna produce 2-star piglets. So that in the result means more meat and more resources. So let's say you have already 2 pigs, you want them to put inside a 2x2 until they multiply to 5x5, to 5 pigs, and then you can just go ahead and extend the size of your pasture from 2x2 to even larger. Because if you want the population to kind of grow at the same pace, I think you have to slowly increase the size of the pasture. Otherwise, as we saw before, the 2x2 had 4 pigs for a very long time, and the 7x7 still had only 2. Now, when there's more pigs to multiply, they start to multiply exponentially, and in the result, we have 4 big ones and 5 small ones. Let's see what will happen in a few moments later. So, currently we can see that there's quite a lot of pigs in each of the pastures, but let's see how many exactly in each one. So, 2x2 has 5 pigs maximum. Nothing has changed. So if you make a pasture of 2x2, there won't be more than 5 boars in it. 3x3. There's also only 5. So it doesn't matter how much food you're gonna give. It doesn't matter if it's 2x2 or 3x3. There's still gonna be only 5 pigs in the pasture. Next one. This is quite a surprise. I was thinking that there should be more. This is 4x4, and there's no more than 5 pigs there. So I wonder what happened here. How come there's only 5 of them? Alright, 5x5. Nothing much changes here either. There's only 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pigs in a 5x5. There's so much space. I would expect that there would be a lot more. 6x6. Well, here we have a lot more pigs, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 boars in a 6x6 pasture. Quite strange though. We should repeat the experiment in another video and try out if it would work to put, I don't know, like 20x20 size pasture. Because if we look here at 7x7, it has 6 on the top left, so that's 6. 3 on the top right, that's 9. Then we have 1 in the middle, 10. Then there's 1 on the right as well. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We have the results, and we know for sure that size does matter in Valheim. But for pastures, the most effective one is probably make a small one first and then jump to the bigger ones. Then do 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. Although there's no sense in changing the pasture size from 2x2 to 3x3. You're better off to jumping from 2x2 to 6x6 because that had most pig increase comparing to the other pastures. Well, I hope this information was useful to you. I'll make more experiments like this in the future. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you have an idea what kind of experiment should I make next, please comment down below. Don't forget to press that like button if you like the video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. There's only 50% of you who are watching me who are subscribed, and the rest 50 are not subscribed. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one.